Imagine earning over $10,000 every month, all from your phone, by simply creating engaging content. This isn't a dream. It's the reality for many creators leveraging the TikTok Shop affiliate program. The TikTok Shop affiliate program connects sellers, affiliates, and viewers, creating a dynamic ecosystem where everyone benefits. It's a powerful way to monetize your content and reach a massive audience. Many creators, especially Gen Z and millennials, are turning their passion for content into significant income through this program. Success depends on effort, smart product selection, and a solid video strategy. To get started, you generally need to be at least 18 years old, reside in a TikTok Shop available region, and have a minimum of 1,000 followers. These requirements can sometimes vary, so always check the latest guidelines. Registration is straightforward. Navigate to the TikTok Shop Seller Center, then access the Affiliate Center. Here, you can browse a vast array of products and request approval to promote them. Finding winning products is crucial. Look for items that align with your niche, have a strong sales history, and positive reviews. Authenticity resonates most with your audience. Once you've selected your products, it's time for content creation. Engaging and authentic videos are key, whether you're doing unboxings, detailed reviews, or helpful tutorials. Showcase the product's benefits and how it solves a problem or enhances daily life. Your genuine enthusiasm will be contagious and drive viewer interest. Consistency is vital. Implement a regular posting strategy using relevant hashtags and optimal timing to maximize your reach. Research what works best for your specific audience. Commission rates typically range from 10% to 50%, varying by product category, brand, and your performance. These rates can be flat, percentage-based, tiered, or even hybrid. Brands set these rates, and they can significantly impact your earning potential. Always check the commission structure before committing to promoting a product. Tracking your earnings is simple through TikTok Shop Analytics. Monitor click-through rates, conversion rates, sales, and commissions directly within the platform. Third-party tools like Social Snowball can also provide deeper insights and help you optimize your strategy. Understanding your data is key to growth. Now, let's talk about the viral video formula. It often involves a compelling hook, clear value proposition, and a strong call to action. Think about what makes you stop scrolling. AI tools can assist in generating high-converting video scripts by providing visual context and desired style. Remember to adapt and iterate these suggestions to maintain your unique voice. Avoid common mistakes like overly sleazy content, inconsistent posting, or promoting irrelevant products. Authenticity and value always win over aggressive selling. Don't copy others directly. Find your unique angle. Also, steer clear of policy violations and exaggerated claims, as these can harm your reputation and account. Scaling from $1,000 to $10,000 monthly involves building an affiliate network, repurposing user-generated content as ads, and leveraging paid media. Proactive creator outreach and implementing tiered commissions can also boost your earnings. AI can further optimize campaigns and content creation for maximum impact. For beginners, here's your action plan. Sign up, choose your niche, select winning products, create authentic content, post consistently, and track your analytics. By following these strategies and avoiding common pitfalls, you, too, can effectively use the TikTok Shop affiliate program to generate significant income. Start your journey today